Thanks, Chewy.
Bright suns, everyone. I'm Tom. I do Disney, hence the name of this channel, Tom Does Disney. We are heading to Galaxy's Edge. Oh my God, I've been waiting for this day for so long. I'm an emotional mess already, so I can't even imagine once I get down there. I'm gonna be just like crying. Star Wars come to life. Like, is this my dream come true? You guys have no idea. We are about to have the best day ever. Hollywood Studios bus is pulling up as soon as I walk out of here. That is a good way to start the day. I also just grabbed some water, and I didn't get the classic water shots, but it's back there, I promise. I'm staying hydrated, friends. It's a little humid on Earth today. I want to see how it is on Batuu. I can only assume it's going to be just as humid, if not more so. Ronto Raps incoming. I'm excited. So many exciting things going around all around Walt Disney World. So we're going into Galaxy's Edge. What's more exciting than that? The gondolas are within about a month or so from being open. It's going to be incredible. The Skyliner in the sky is going to be my favorite way to get around property, as long as it's not insanely hot inside of these things. Which I don't think it will be. It looks like they have like passive cooling and stuff, so soon enough. Soon enough. It's going to be a who's who of vloggers in here today, so probably you'll look more comfortable vlogging than not vlogging in Batuu today. It'll be interesting. I'm going to go through bag check. I'll see you guys once I meet up with Tanya, Emily, and Erica. They are my 3 people coming with me to Ogas for reservation number 1. So that you've got to admire that this entire entrance in the past 6 months, how much it's all changed. You used to go in through this whole side, exit through this whole side. There was scrim up on both sides of this. There was scrim up on both sides of this. Now all gone. Everything opened up. Bag checks right in the front. Exits in the front. It's all Hollywood Studios knocked it out of the park when they reorganized this entire thing. Awesome. Oh, that was an obnoxious security check. They must be a little whatever at the parks today. It's a little, everybody's on maybe got some rookies doing some jobs where they shouldn't be doing their jobs. But good for that guy. Way to check the heck out of my bag, man. You would have found a pin in that, like a pin in a haystack kind of thing. It's crazy. A cast member at the entrance checkpoint was like, use the Force, young Jedi. Turn it green. I thought that was pretty funny. Star Wars-y way to enter. Alright, let's do this. I gotta find Tanya, start organizing. I might get some coffee, to be perfectly honest with you. I think that's gonna be step 1. All I could get is coffee on Batuu. I'm gonna wait for coffee on Batuu, actually. Everything is gonna wait for Batuu today. If it's food, it's Batuu. If I have to use the bathroom, I'm gonna be doing it in Batuu. If I'm riding anything today, it will be the Falcon Smuggler's Run in Batuu. It is a Batastic day. I'm gonna be a Batuuan. This is really exciting. What better way to start your Star Wars day than Frozen sing-along, maybe, I think? There's 0 wait times for anything else in the park that's not Star Wars right now. So, yeah, I think me and Tanya are gonna do this real quick just to keep cool. I'm still waiting on Erica and Emily. We can't technically get into Batuu until 11:10. So that's what we're gonna be doing. We're gonna be doing the Frozen sing-along real quick.
My sister Elsa, I love you. No! Queen Elsa, I just have to let you know. The citizens of the Kingdom of Hollywood Land did a great job singing our anthems, you know.
Frozen sing-along continues to be my favorite show in Hollywood Studios. We're gonna try to hop on Star Tours real quick. It only has a 10-minute wait, and then we're heading down to our reservation at Ogas for 12:10. I wonder if this is gonna make me as sick as it has made me in the past. I'm gonna try to record it and see if I stay behind the screen, maybe I won't feel as motion sick. We're getting it in.
But you are here because you have strength and courage. Use these in your training, and you will succeed. Thank you, Alpha. And you and Jax, please prepare the student. We'll begin with a lesson using the weapon of the Jedi.
We're good at sightseeing and you never get to see the sights. Other companies tour you so fast, it's all a blur. But on Star Tours, you'll never miss a thing. Introducing the IC360 Intelligent Camera System, available exclusively on all Star Tours flights. Thank you.
Oh, it's a trap. Here comes another one. Wow, I don't know what that is, but it looks like foul play to me. I'm not gonna play around. Here, let's go.
That's it. Now wait. Please direct your attention to the scanner. A blue scan indicates that you've contracted Dago Batuu.
Oh yeah, sure. Let me get this.
Before we get into trouble. I knew it!
Stop right there.
Don't shoot!
I know you have a spy on board.
Yes, Batuu. I believe this adventure is just beginning. What are you looking at? Go away!
We are going to Galaxy's Edge right now. Tanya, Emily, Erica, and myself, Ogas reservations for 12:10. I'm gonna capture it. I'm going to capture our walk-in. Just gonna let it run. Once we get down there, when I check in, this camera's turning on. It's not turning off until we hit the Falcon. Guys, shout out to Samantha. She follows the channel, and she checked us in here for Galaxy's Edge. I'm waiting for everybody else. Oh man, I've been waiting for this for a minute. Wow. Batuu. Oh my God, the spires. Oh no. Look at this. Oh my God, look at the lights. Oh no. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. I'm gonna end up shedding a tear or two here today. This is amazing. Oh no. Oh, I'm in genuine. I have tears in my eyes right now, yeah.
Alright, you can use yours.
Wow. The future home. Right. For Rise of the Resistance right here. Right.
You're like you go into like a big one.
Wow. I'm genuinely messed up. This is bad. This is too much. I don't know what to do. So this will be the queue. It'll go into underneath the spires. All of our friends are starting to show up. I gotta get off of here. I'm a mess. Oh man, oh man, oh man. Look at all the details. Look at the trash cans. This is a problem. I'm gonna be in here all the time. Okay, let's look at some merch. First day merch. like speeder pilot jackets for kids. You got this big get up. I can only imagine how much this thing costs. It's probably about $1 million.
¿Qué quieres?
It doesn't even have a tag on it. I'm gonna ask a cast member how much that thing costs. You got Pose. You got Pose Falcon. You got Pose X-Wing with BB-8 in it. You got the Falcon. You got an A-Wing. Look at this fan. It's like a moisture farming fan. Oh my God, look at all this stuff. I gotta find out how much this thing costs right here. I need to know how much this costs. Oh my God, look at the helmet. It's $655 for this helmet. Oh my God, Chewbacca. He's fixing the ship. Chewie's fixing the ship. Chewie, get the ship fixed. It's unbelievable. Oh my God, Chewbacca.
I know, that's why I was like, Jason, now you can get your picture of it.
Great set.
Wow, Chewbacca, Rey, and BB-8.
Walk with Chewie. Walk with Chewie.
Walk with Chewie, guys. Walk with Chewbacca. Follow him.
High five.
Thanks, Chewie. Yes, Chewy shouted out the camera. So we're gonna go through the marketplace afterwards. For now, we're gonna get down to Ogas because we don't want to be late for this reservation. It's what got us in here in the first place. So, wow, I'm just overwhelmed. There's so much to take in. It's a lot. Everything's beautiful. The detail is like off the hook. If you told me I was on Tatooine, I'd believe you. I know it's Batuu, but it's got Tatooine vibes all over the place. Bronto roasters. We're gonna explore all this in detail. We're gonna be here all night, guys. This is awesome. I cannot wait.
This is the one from the retard alert. Do not alarm them. You, hold it right there. We've got some questions.
Wow, it's off the hook. I have no idea where I'm going. I'm gonna ask this lady right here. I asked her for directions and she called the Millennium Falcon a hunk of junk. That's epic. I love that. We have to go down to the Falcon and then to the right. This is very exciting. We have to find Tanya though. I have to message her. Oh, nice, at the bar.
One up front, one behind, one up front, one
Right,
behind.
controllers, how we doing?
Perfect. Thank you so much, man. Appreciate that. With Michael, that's awesome.
He just ran into them on the way out.
No, that's cool. Hey, that's all good. I'm here for this. This is way more important than meet Michael K.
Yes.
Yeah. That's just a dude. This is that's just a dude. This is a
Hi, right son. Excellent. Do we have any questions? I don't have any. Just need a few moments. I want this
You
and
guys know, did you look at the menu yet?
This is like a Jell-O shot. You can get it without alcohol or with alcohol. You choose. You can't.
So these are all the non-alcoholic. She's getting the Cliff Dweller. I think I'm gonna get the Hyperdrive. Java Juice. That's awesome. We all get something different. All right, guys, we're posted up. Erica's back. Oh, Erica's back there. Erica's back there. I thought you guys were both gonna be there. Oh. Come on, get in here. We have so much room. Let's get some space. Yeah. You guys can get in. You can get in there. This is awesome. DJ Rex up there spinning the tunes. This would be a really cool place to work. I'm so excited.
Get it, girl, get it.
We're good. I got it. Yeah.
Maybe after a few more drinks.
So we're gonna have a Hyperdrive, a Java Juice, a Carbon Freeze, and a Cliff Dweller.
Java Juice, Carbon Freeze, Hyperdrive, and a Cliff Dweller.
Exactly.
We're gonna try it all.
Thank you so much. Oh, that's okay. Oh. Thank you. All right, y'all. Cheers while Erica's thing's still bubbling. All right, cheers. To Olga.
This tastes like the juice from the Polynesian.
Do they have like a straw or something? Autumn, question for you. Do you have a straw or any? Thank you so much. I felt that on my foot. Thank you. How is it?
It's okay, yeah.
Oh, the carbon freeze is one. I'm not going to use this. I just needed to mix it up. I didn't even take a sip out of it.
Well, let me taste it.
Oh, yeah, go.
That's pretty good.
That's really good. Try this?
No alcohol. We wouldn't give you alcohol. We'd ordered non-alcoholic drinks.
Ooh.
Someone.
Ooh.
That's good, right? You like that?
Ooh. What is that? The Java juice is probably the best one.
That's really good.
I gotta taste yours.
this. That tastes like the juice at Ohana. I think.
So cute.
That is really good.
Ooh.
It's pretty good, right?
Yes.
That's the Cliff Dweller.
Wow, I love all
Y'all want
these.
to try this one?
This is awesome. And we have so much time to hang out and chill in here.
Good, right? Yours is the best, I think. Yours is like fruity, like but it feels like it's got like a splash of like a
This is
some
like
type
a,
of Fanta.
yeah.
You know, it's got that kick to it.
So this is Powerade.
Oh, it's Powerade.
It's called Powerade Mountain Blackberry Blast. It has white cranberry juice and black cherry puree. So it has like little bits of.
Okay.
Yours is what? Citrus juices, coconut, hibiscus, grenadine, Seagram's, ginger ale, served in a souvenir mug. Oh, Rex has got something to say. This place is amazing. Well, might leave most of that unedited. We're gonna hang out and chill, take in the sights. See you in a little bit. Wow. My life is complete. Yeah, could we get the Batuu bits too? I love this. Like I really, not only do I like the atmosphere, but this drink is fantastic. So nice. Michael just walked in. Super good to see him.
So the other day I was just
We'll see him before we get out of here. I might have another one of these things, I think. It's delicious. What's our Batuu bits? That's the real question. I got too much going on. Guys, the Batuu bits.
Is this like France?
The Batuu bits are out of this world. You're never gonna see any of this because I got the wrong angles going, but they learned from Disneyland big time because it didn't come with this dip at Disneyland. It does come with it here. Are you having another thing? What are you guys doing? You having another drink?
I'm good. I'm gonna go to eat food. We can either go to Dolphin Bay 7 or we can go to Rhino.
Oh, that's a good idea. I'm gonna wait for me.
Okay, what's your
That is the best buffet. I'm assuming that's an alcoholic drink. That's fine.
Oh, I'm really into this stuff.
I might do that.
Review on the Batuu bits. They're delicious. I would eat this. I need some friends to help me eat it. These guys ate a little bit. Not as much as I did. I really like this. Batuu bits, A+. This like hummus, like salsa it comes with, out of this world. Really deep flavors, you know? Really, really tasty.
That tune is a favorite here on Batuu, or at least that's what they tell me. I can't leave the cantina. I'm bolted down. Ba-dum-bum. Una doity. In other words, it's that time again for the Gungan drinking song.
That's so cool. It's like Sotuahe kind of. Hey, look, it's people over here that we know. Friends of friends. All right, the boys are back in town. Trouble right there.
Well, maybe he doesn't like spicy. They have a little against you like spicy.
And I'm not going to get the garden spread. And I'm not going to get.
That's amazing. All right, the crew's out here. Everybody's here. We all got lunch. Got these smoked kadu ribs. They smell very good. We're gonna eat them. Quick little test on. We just got a new mic. Jeff had a mic on it. Same mic as I was using. It's mine pretty much snapped. So just doing a quick audio test. Need to make sure it's good. Wow, that was super duper good. And I like this outside seating area too. It's nice. Got like this. The theming's very, very cool. So we're gonna be heading over to the Falcon and we're riding it. See you over there. It's been an incredible day. I'm having a hard time putting it into words how amazing this has been, but it's genuinely great. You guys can go ahead. I gotta get the shots. Wow, look at the theming's deep. Deep. Whoa. This is it. That's for it. It's cool. This is amazing.
Alright, you guys go first. You guys are ready. Tom, you need to be up with.
I'm alright. Why? What's going on?
We're at the entrance right now.
I should ride with. Yes, sure.
Is it
Sure.
Was it scary?
Real. No, that's awesome. It's awesome.
It's not scary at all.
It's like you bring on summer party at 6. Going to the Falcon guys. You ride on in.
Oh my God! I'm the pilot. This is awesome. I'm the pilot. We all got put together. What the heck? What kind of luck is that? They were like the people behind them must have been taking pictures or something, so they just threw us all together as the single riders. That's hilarious. Wow, we are inside of the Millennium Falcon, a place I never in my entire life thought I would be.
I love the pork nest. There's several. One there.
Woo, look at this. We just need to get one quick shot. No, I just wanted to sit down real quick.
Right here. Going on.
Switch.
Up and down?
Yes, I want to do the up and down. Have you flown a curling framer before? No. No? Okay. My left pilot controls left and right. Left is left, right is right. My right pilot controls up and down. Forward to go down, pull back towards you to go up. I'll grab your credentials. My gunners. Automatic here. They will get more credits. Good luck.
You might need it.
All right, engineers.
Takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a first-order trade ship.
Look at this crew.
Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And
Pilots,
engineers,
very
you
important
are
job.
all
Yes,
that.
very important job.
Now move on and know that I have complete faith in you.
First, and gunners and engineers.
For your safety, remain
Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh no! No, 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 no. No, 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 no.
Yes,
No,
yes,
no.
yes.
No, no, no.
What is it, Tom's fault that we're practicing?
No, no.
Yellow tap, sir?
All right, how do I...
Yellow tap, go ahead. Take your button.
Oh my God!
So this is
We're in the Millennium Falcon!
Remember, guys, I'm gonna be coming along. So
back is up.
manual, give me manual.
Alright, here we go. Alright. Oh no!
Hit your flashing buttons. Good job, engineer. Right, pilot, push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left, move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right, pull back on the stick to fly up and push forward to fly down.
Go down, go down!
Weapons are on ground. Left pilot, hit the boosters.
Boosters!
Now let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed.
Punch it!
Yeah!
Yes! This is amazing!
Yes, Keep shooting! They've locked onto us. Take evasive action. Ah, there it is. After that plane. Flight engineers, fire the harpoons. Shoot the cargo free. The pilot brakes. Well, my friends, that could have been much worse.
It could have been much worse.
It's much worse.
It's much worse. It's the worst. Oh yeah! We got the coaxium.
Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Power up the ship. Well, I have coaxium. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Now that the resistance has invaded, maybe a little something for Hondo. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Shoot the train. Yes, keep mashing those controls.
We got this.
Cargo's breaking free. Keep shooting. Good job, my friend. Yes, yes, yes. We got the coaxium. I will grab it. You keep after the train. Gunship. Oh, that's ridiculous.
Oh down! Oh down! Down!
We are going down. We're going down.
Fire the missiles at the train.
We got it!
The Star Destroyer is collapsing. Left pilot, hit the boosters.
It's the boosters!
Boosters.
We made it.
Boosters.
I don't believe it, but we made it. Now, let's get out of here.
Dude, we crushed that! Oh my god! Oh yeah!
You will pilot us.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
You retrieve 2 containers of coaxium. Yes! This would greatly help the resistance. First order and made Chewie proud.
That is amazing!
Now after my modest profit.
What a ride!
Minus what you owe me for
Oh my god!
Hey.
Yes, yes, yes,
yes. Oh, wait, my friends. I'm afraid we have picked up a hitchhiker. All right, scan the exterior of the Falcon for life forms. You see, this happens sometimes when you travel through uncharted regions of the galaxy as much as time for you to go. And don't worry, payment is on the way, trust me.
Alright, Falcon, make sure to buckle your seatbelts and remember your personal belongings with you.
How did we do?
We'll find out.
How did we do, dude?
Not bad, not bad.
Not bad!
Not bad.
Look at the ship's not, well, they got a couple little dicks and dings, but... Okay. All right, not bad. We got 2 containers of coaxium, so that was fantastic. Thanks, man. Hey, nice job.
Oh, we pilots got it.
It's just beautiful. It's like Flight of Passage, but like, I don't know if it's better or not. I don't know.
It's different.
It is amazing. This is kind of like, I don't know, it's almost like Hoth, but not ice, you know? Yeah. It's got Hoth vibes to it. It's not Hoth, but it's got Hoth. It's got Hoth-like vibes, this tunnel. Wow, I'm amazed. No, I'm good. That was so good. Woo, amazing. What a ride. There's nobody using these things, so I'm just going to show you that it's all themed. With this little thing, the spout and everything. It's pretty awesome.
Juan, where's your beautiful wife?
I don't know.
You don't know?
ODA in the house.
Oh, I don't think
I don't think we voted person, but like, I think we got one buffalo. If you start out at other ingredients, then it doesn't go well.
I'm gonna get the blue one.
I got them both.
Oh!
Yeah.
I'll just take a
Take a
sip.
sip. That's weird.
There you are.
Thank you so much.
Into it.
It's all right.
I can understand why this is more plant-based. You know?
Well, that one tastes way plantier than this one.
Yeah.
I just want to use this trash can so I can.
It tastes like if you made a delicious smoothie and then you put kale in it. No, you know.
I mean, it's not terrible,
Yeah, it's not good either though.
but
It's good with tequila in it, apparently, according to him. Uh-oh. She's gotta go run a lap.
Ha ha, Tanya.
She took too big of a sip of the blue one. She's gotta go take a walk. She'll be back.
Oh my God. She's a mess.
I love it.
I'm watching you.
Taking pictures of the thing for the vlog. Oh yeah. Oh no. Don't want that. We can get like a, you can get like a lime green one and I'll get a pink one.
These are weird.
I don't have the body for that. I mean, neither does he.
I do not like either one of these things.
I don't want to.
What I am gonna do though, because I don't like them, I'm gonna pour half of that out.
You don't like that one either?
They're both too watery. Yeah, I'm gonna. Oh yeah, one last shot here.
What I appreciate.
This tastes like frozen yogurt. I'm gonna blend it.
I was like, I know what I appreciate that he's walking around with the umbrella because it's never going to poke anyone in the eye.
Well, this was some of the worst money I've ever spent at Disney World. For 15, 16 bucks, stuff I could have got that I would have enjoyed. Compared to this is no Peter Pan float.
now she's taller than
Whatever. And there was no Frozone slush. There was no LeFou's brew.
What'd you think? Wait, where'd they go?
I got rid of them. They're gross. Gross.
That was so bad. I was about to be. I thought, oh God, that one's gonna come back up.
Tanya
I gotta walk it off.
Tanya almost puked. I stomached him. I drank a bunch of that stuff just now.
I mean, I don't know if it's
Was it mixed good?
Dude, it's just neither one of
Do
those.
you like it?
I like the blue one, yeah.
No.
I like the green one too.
They're
The
bad.
blue one was
Those
the
are
worst
gross.
for me.
I like both of them.
Oh, Ryan, I can't.
And no LeFou's brew. Lord Brand.
If the Millennium Falcon is here, then no wonder. I will find you.
Hi, Dad. Hi, Ryan. How are you?
Interrogate the merchants. Detain travelers. I want information. Do not fail, Lieutenant. Are we clear?
Troopers! I want recon and patrol unit to question anyone you find suspicious. If you don't believe them, detain them. We have room in the prisoner transport for them or for you. Is that understood?
Affirmative.
Move out!
Back into Ogas. I need to change my battery. Frank Sons. No jet blasters.
It's full Wookiee. I've never seen a Wookiee.
This is so cool. I love this place. Cancel the lightsaber. I canceled the droid. I'm getting the beer fit. Very interesting.
Yeah, I like to see the explosions. Yeah, I didn't either.
You ever had anything like your back single? That right there.
It was Pop Rocks like I thought it was.
I trusted Ryan. We did the non-alcoholic.
Yeah, that's dried fruit.
It's the same thing. It's just no alcohol.
The fruit's nice. The consistency's wild, though.
Between the like,
what is this? A blueberry?
I think it's dried, like freeze-dried blueberry.
Okay, $80-something worth of beer. Never had beer this expensive in my entire life. We're gonna start with what? Now this is the dark side. We're not starting with, we're gonna start with the dark side. Whew. That's fun. So caramel, kind of a caramely thing going on. Dark, hoppy caramely kind of beer. This, I want to get the names. She didn't tell me which order they went in. I'll maybe ask her when she comes back. But I think this is probably the bad motivator. No, this is probably the Gamorrean ale, red ale with roasted caramel. Touch of grapefruit though, I'm not getting any of the grapefruit. That's an IPA. There's no doubt. That's got to be the IPA here. I can't really figure it out. Beer number 2. We ate the whole thing.
I know, but I won't be able to eat it. Well, I tried to
Party foul.
the only place I found I could find it was
interesting. That stuff is interesting.
It's my go-to drink in here now.
Wow, this place is dope. Disney, you knocked it out of the park with Ogas Cantina.
There's liquid in it and booze. The booze
Mega Man.
I would never be able to get a booze. I know, I saw it. I was so sad to see. He's here. He's sweating.
Navi, 5 minutes.
I would.
Oh, that tastes like bacon. Dude, it tastes like bacon.
I got it.
Never tasted a beer that tasted like bacon.
Oh, that is bacony. Oh, that's got like a really bacony aftertaste. Amazing.
Tastes like a pig, that beer. It would make sense if that was the Gamorrean ale, because hardcore Star Wars fans will know that Gamorreans are big giant pig people. So that would be a good Gamorrean ale that tasted like bacon, but I don't think that is the Gamorrean ale. She's a mess. I will tell you this place is cooler than Tutuli. There's no doubt about that. This is way cooler than Tutuli. Well, that was awesome. I smashed this thing, and they gave me a brand new one in a box. Incredible. This is my favorite song that I've heard in here so far as well. I love Ogas. 10 out of 10. So cool in here.
I haven't even seen him.
Hey!
I've never I did really appreciate that I would have been like, everyone wants me to do a cameo. Instead of me giving them money, just PayPal me. Because like, so there's this website called Cameo where you can like pay money for like celebrities to say something to you. But he was like, let's just cut out the middleman. You know my Instagram, DM me.
Hey!
Yeah, like PayPal me $25. I'll do whatever you want for a minute.
Whoa, Ogas was dope. I've got my beer flight in hand. We're out of here, guys. That was our last reservation for Ogas. I canceled the 8:30 because that was just way too late. And now we're gonna head back to the hotel, chillax, and then we're going to Magic Kingdom. Ogas was good. The 2 times in here was perfect. And I'm super happy that I got this beer flight. It felt nice to splurge a little bit. Thanks, guys. Till the Spires. Thank you. Well, until the Spire, we're out of here. That was a good, fun day on Batuu. I didn't even see probably half of what this land has to offer. But that's what extra magic hours are going to be for. Low crowds, detailed look at this place. We'll be spending a massive amount of time in Batuu before this trip is over. Thanks for hanging out, guys. That's going to be the end of the Galaxy's Edge opening day vlog. Day 3, part 1. Thanks for joining. Like, subscribe, comment down below, do all that fun stuff. We'll be heading to Magic Kingdom tonight for more fun, so stick around for that. If you haven't already, I would appreciate if you check out the Patreon page, support me there. If you want to support more adventures like being able to afford this Rancor beer flight, that's where to do it. We're going to exit through the Toy Story Land side because I haven't seen this yet. And I will see you guys in a little bit. Thanks for watching. Have a magical rest of your night.
That tune is a favorite here